record. So for this video, we are going to be reviewing this blow up slime. So yeah, I'm totally confused on this blow up slime because the packaging is so big, so long, and the top on it is so big too. But so as you can see, here is our blow up slime. And yeah, I love how the detail the blow up slime they give on it. You can see that bubbles with a straw and it says blow up slime on it. And there's some bubbly on it in there. And yeah, and on the middle it has this blow up slime logo. And the color of the slime is purple. Yeah, there are two types of color. There's red, neon. And then there's a tag on it which is says, I can't read it. I think it's like a different language. See. Wait a second. Okay, I guess let's just record the light just turn off. Yeah, I don't know why. So yeah, so you can see that. But in the other part, you can see it says it beautiful, and on the back of it, it says blow up slime, blow up slime, to blow up slime. And let's open this up. Take a closer look. Okay, so here's the straw. Let's just take the straw first on this packaging. The straw just flew off. Okay, it's so windy in here. Okay, let's just take this. So here's the straw. The straw has a black part. I think it guides us where to blow it. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you, there's an instructions at the back of it. It says, instructions. It says here, the straw is included. Then put the straw on the slime to it up. Hold the slime on the straw and blow. Okay, get it? Bye bye. Okay, here's our slime. This slime feels like a homemade slime because real store slime is so jiggly like this jelly. Well, let me show you that. Okay, let's just see that. Star slime is so jiggly, but this one is so homemadey. Let's just remove it. Just remove it up in here. Look at that. I mean, let's pluck it if it's really homemade. Oops. Yeah. Look at that. It's plucking, but I don't know if you can hear the plucking sounds because the plucking sounds is so slow. I mean, it's just like low music. Wow. And it's so stretchy. Where's our straw, guys? Oh, there it is. Now let's write it up. So it says on the instructions, oh, put that in there and hold slime to the straw and blow. It blows up and it just pops. Let's try it again. Okay, how about let's form it into a circle shape to get it perfect. See that? Oh, that was so big. I wonder if it's really dunes and normal slime, just so fun though. Oh, that is so awesome. Oh, that was so awesome. That was so big. How about let's blow it up and seal it off so you can see it very much. It just like pop out very easily. Okay, so you can do it. So thank you guys for watching my video this week. Hope you guys love it. Bye. Dun, dun.